Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to see exercise 14.2 from chapter number 14, factorization. As you know that in previous video we had already completed exercise 14.1, chapter number 14, factorization, isn't it? From class 8th NCERT Max book. So dear student, here we are going to have exercise 14.2, first question. So what the first question says? Here the first question says that factorize the following expressions. What is the expression is a square plus 8a plus 16. So what we have to do is we have to factorize. So what is the equation is? Equation we are having as a square plus 8a plus 16. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to use the splitting middle term method. What is a splitting middle term method is? Suppose an expression we are having x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. What is this method is known as? This is method known as splitting the middle term method. So what we have to do in this? We have to factorize the middle term in the form of two terms. While adding the two terms, that will be a and b, the answer should come as 8a. मीन्स 8a को इस तरह से हमको दो टर्म में प्लस करना है या माइनस करना है. कभी कभी जो अगर हो सकता है यहाँ पर प्लस की जगह माइनस रहे तब की बात है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू स्प्लिट 8a इन सच ए वे इन दैट a plus b will be equals to 8 and in place of x a will come. In the same way, the a and b which we had splitted, which we had added in such a way that 8 is coming, that same number we have to multiply and bring ab. मीन्स 8a को हमको इस तरह से स्प्लिट करना है कि इसको ऐड करने पर मिडिल टर्म आना चाहिए और इनटू करने पर 16 आना चाहिए, द लास्ट टर्म. ओके, सो हाउ इट शुड बी डन. Okay, so what we are going to do, just have a look. A square plus 8a plus 16. So 8a can be written as, we can write 8a as, how to write, 4 plus 4 into a. Can we write like this? And this 4a plus 4a, we can also write 8a as like this. So in place of 8a we are going to write as 8 4a plus 4a plus 16. Now making the pair of the two terms, what we are going to do, we are going to make the pair of the two terms, isn't it? Making the pair of the two terms, we are having, what is the number, 8a a square plus 8a plus 16. We are going to split the middle term in the form of 4a plus 4a plus 16, isn't it? 4 into 4 will become 16, isn't it? So is equals to, now making the pair of the two terms, that means a square plus 4a will be the first term we are going to make the pair, and the second term we are going to make the pair as 4a plus 16. Clear? Now we can see that while making the pair of the first term in the last two term, we can see that we can take easily common a in the first term, isn't it? So what is left? A plus 4 is left, and in the second pair term we can take 4 as a common. So what is the term left? A plus 4, isn't it? Now a plus 4 again it comes, so a plus 4 is, we are going to take it as a common. Then what is again left out? That is a plus 4. So 8 plus 4, a plus 4 twice it is, so it can be written as a plus b the whole square, because a into a we can write it in the form of exponent as a square. In the same way, a plus 4 we can write it as a plus, here it will be not b, it will be 4, a plus 4 the whole square. Clear to everyone? So in this way we are going to solve each and every question. Okay, now moving toward the next question, we are having the second one. What is the second question? P square minus 10p plus 25. This question we are having. Now p square can be, we can split p 10p as minus 5p minus 5p plus 25, because minus and minus 5 minus 5, when we are going to add minus 5 minus 5, it will become minus 10 itself. And when 5 into 5 will be multiplied, or minus 5 into minus 5 will be multiplied, answer will come as plus 25, isn't it? So we can easily split the middle term in the form of 5 term, isn't it? Now making the pair of the two numbers, here we are going to make the pair of the first two numbers and the second two numbers. Now here we can take p as a common. What is left? P minus 5 is left. Here minus 5 will take as common. So p minus 25 comes in the table of 5. How many times? 5 times. So that 5 is left. So p minus 5, when we will take again it as a common, what is left? P minus 5 is left. So p minus 5 we can write it as in the form of square. Clear to everyone? So what is the answer we are having? We are having the answer as p minus 5 the whole square. Clear to everyone? Next question we are having. Understood everyone? Huh? Now in this way you can do rest other questions are same. Here in this solution you can see on this screen it is splitted in the form of identity. Do you remember? And when we had studied the chapter algebraic expression, there we had studied some of the identity, like a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? And a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. This three identities we had already studied. So using this three identity, here the question is, a solution is being given on the screen. So either you can use the splitting method which I had told you right now, or you can use the identity method which is given on the screen. Clear to everyone? How to use the identity method, you will ask me. So one question I will explain you. Suppose we are having an example, this question, fifth we will take. So 4x square minus 8x plus 4. This is the question we are having. Now using the identity, which identity we are going to use? We are going to use identity a plus b the a minus b the whole square. This will be minus. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Why we are using minus a minus b the whole square? Because the middle term is minus, that's why. So in place of a square, can we write 4 as 2 into 2? So 2 to the power 2, it can be written as 2x the whole square minus 2 into how much? 2 into 2x. What's the value of a we are having? 2x we are having, isn't it? What is the value of b we are having? The value of b we are having as 2 square. 2 plus square. Again I will write and show you. What is the question we are having? 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Identity we are having as a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So a square, that means 4x square can be written as 4. What is the factor of 4 we are having? 2 into 2, isn't it? So it can be written as 2x the whole square, isn't it? 4 can be written as 2 into 2, so that will be 2 square. So plus 2 the whole square. Now minus 2 into, what is the value of a we are having as 2x, and value of b we are having as 2, isn't it? So it can be written as 2x, isn't it? So 2x minus the number we are having, 2x minus 2 the whole square, isn't it? Now while taking 2 as a common, 2 square it is there, that means 2 to the power 2 will be, we will take it a common, and what is left out? That is x minus 1 the whole square. So 2 into 2 will become 4, x minus 1 the whole square will be the required answer. So in this way, using the identity also, you can easily solve the question. Clear? So dear student, it depends on you whether you want to use the identity or you can directly split by using the middle term method. Depends on you. Okay. So here we had completed the explanation of question number 1. Hope you people understood. Now moving toward the next question we are having. In the question number 2, it is said that factorize. So here also either you can use the factorization method identity, either you can use the factorization identity, or you can directly split the method. So here the questions are there. You can see the question. 4p square minus 9. What is the number we are having? 4p square minus 9q square. So 4p square minus 9q square, we can split that number as 2p the whole square minus 3q the whole square. We can split like this, as we know that a square minus b square, when we use the identity, it will become a plus b into a minus b. So using this identity, we can split as 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q. Can we use this identity? Of course we can use this identity, and the required answer will be 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q, which is here. Have you understood? So dear student, in this way also you can solve this question. So I had explained you in this way how to solve it. All the solution is being given. Just once you understood the solution, it will become very easy for you to solve. Clear? So go through the solutions. If any doubt will be there, kindly ask. So for today, thank you everyone. Here we are going to end our video. In the next class, we are going to see the continuation of exercise 14.2. Okay, thank you.